The graph of a quadratic function is shown on the grid. Which function is best represented by this graph? We are given a graph, and in the answer choices, we have functions that we are trying to match with that graph. What we can do is we can go to Desmos and type in our answer choices and figure out which one best matches the graph given in the question. For letter F, we have f of x is equal to negative 1/2. Make sure that you arrow out of the denominator to type in what is after that, x squared plus 16. Now, what I notice on my graph on the paper is that we have a y-intercept, or cross the y-axis, at 8. Notice that this graph does not cross the y-axis at 8. It crosses the y-axis all the way up here at 16. Therefore, that cannot be the correct answer. I will delete it out and type in the next answer choice, letter G. f of x is equal to negative x squared plus 16. Again, notice that this answer choice crosses the y-axis at 16, but we need an answer that crosses the y-axis at 8. So therefore, again, G is incorrect. Letter H is our next option, so we will delete out what was in there from before and type in that answer choice. Negative 1/2, make sure you arrow out of the denominator, plus 8. Now, you'll notice this time that we do cross the y-axis at 8, but does that mean that it's the correct answer? Let's see if we can pick up on anything else that would clue us in on the fact that we have got the right answer here. Notice that we cross the x-axis in our picture on the paper at negative 4 and at positive 4. And that's exactly where we cross the x-axis with this answer choice. And so that leads me to believe very strongly that H is the correct answer. If you wanted to, you could come over here and delete the 1/2 and just double check to make sure that it's correct. And so you'll see that you still have the correct y-intercept, but now you have the wrong x-intercepts, which means that J is incorrect.